Welcome to a journey through the mystic realms of esoteric wisdom. Today we explore Abraxas, an enigmatic symbol, a deity and a profound concept that bridges duality and unity in spirituality. Abraxas first emerged in Gnostic texts around the 2nd century AD. The Basilidians, a Gnostic sect, revered Abraxas as the supreme being, transcending the dichotomy of good and evil. His name, when written in Greek, Abraxas, adds up numerologically to 365, symbolizing the complete circle of the year and cosmic unity. Depicted often as a chimera, part man, part rooster, and serpent-legged, Abraxas embodies the complex layers of existence. The rooster heralds dawn and awakening, while the serpent legs root him in primal knowledge. In esoteric practices, Abraxas represents the reconciliation of opposites, light and dark, creation and destruction, spiritual and material. Unlike conventional deities limited by moral dualism, Abraxas integrates all polarities into a single unified source. Carl Jung, the famous psychologist, wrote extensively about Abraxas in the 7 Sermons to the Dead. For Jung, Abraxas symbolized the totality of existence, the God beyond God and devil, where all contradictions dissolve. Throughout history, Abraxas has been invoked in magical and mystical practices. Abraxas stones, engraved gems used as protective amulets, were believed to channel his power, offering balance and spiritual protection. Modern esoteric practitioners use the symbol of Abraxas in meditative and ritualistic contexts to harmonize internal conflicts and to transcend dualistic thinking. Chanting the name Abraxas during meditation is said to awaken a deeper understanding of unity and the cyclical nature of existence. In contemporary spirituality, Abraxas serves as a symbol of wholeness, encouraging seekers to embrace all facets of their being, the light and the shadow. This holistic approach fosters personal growth, self-acceptance, and a deeper connection to the cosmos. Abraxas reminds us that beyond the illusions of separation lies a profound unity, the dance of opposites that create the fabric of existence. Thank you for joining this journey into the esoteric mysteries of Abraxas. May you find balance within yourself and discover the unity that lies beyond duality. Thank you for watching this episode of Sky Gems. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more metaphysical content. And as you go about your day, remember to spread nothing but love, peace, and crystals.